thank you, media person, for coming and for accepting our invitation so that we could have released some press briefing regarding 19th of October 2022 block deputation organized by Tipra Motha. We, Tipra Motha Manipur sector under 49th Chawmanu constituency, extremely apologize for not giving to the public the necessary updates on time for various regions, which is why we are organizing to brief some press meet regarding the issues and regarding 19 October. Here we have sector Mother Sangathan President Sir Niranjoy and Chawmanu Block YTF Secretary Sir Samal Tripura, and also we have Mother Sangathan Manipur sector member Sir Purnamohan Riang and TWF Jotimala Tripura, TWF member. As we all know, 19th of October, we Tipra Motha had organized in this area block deputation to His Excellency Governor of Tripura. The subject matter is for delaying the BC election. We Tipra Motha had organized the deputation program peacefully, and we all who are living in the TTADC area all took part in that program. On same day, BJP Janajati Morcha also submitted subzonal deputation across TTADC on various things. They have also alleged ADC ruling government, that is Tipra Motha, for various things. So we just want to clarify all that allegation put forward by the BJP Janajati Morcha are totally baseless, and it was a flop deputation for them. Some of the charge sheet, some of the points which they have mentioned in their deputation, I would like to clarify to the public, to the citizens of Tripura, like 1,000 crores, 30 crore 4 lakhs amount sanctioned by the BJP, then Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Devji's time. They have said that for the upgradation of, it was for the upgradation of Khanangjakgwi hospital. But they have said that we BJP tries to use that amount for BC election. It was not true. It is all false allegation put forward by the BJP Janajati Morcha. We are using that money for the upgradation of Khanangjakgwi hospital. Open tender process has been as we know that to the public, I want to request, please come do visit in TTADC administration so that you could be clarified about that allegation. Open tender process already has been done, and location for the construction of hospitals it's already done. In 1 or 2 years time, we will get new and modern hospital in Khanangjakgwi. And one such allegation is about nursing recruitment. It is not actually nursing recruitment, it is just nursing training. Who completed nursing courses, just they have formed like for, we can say, like intensive for their practice, so that they could be more experienced with their nursing career. Hence, TTADC is just helping them with the training and gave them with the honorarium of 3,000 rupees for 6 months. It was not recruitment, or it was not any job, it was just a training. And we also come to know that in Ompinagar, uh, 9 of Tipra Motha workers were coming through one vehicle, and that time BJP Janajati Morcha attacks 3 or 4 Tipra Motha warriors brutally. We condemn such incidents and such violence. We condemn and we neglect. We will request and demand state police administration to please identify the culprits and please arrest, and all the necessary actions needs to be taken. That is our demand. And we also come to know from same Ompinagar area how BJP Janajati Morchas are giving slogans to our beloved Bubagra, Habagra, Pradyut Bikram Manikya, that dead to Manikya, Bubagra Thwikha, like Bubagra is dead. How can some citizens of Tripura, I won't say either he is Tripura or not, but as a citizens of Tripura, how can one person say to our 186th king presently living with us, Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Manikya, such verbal shameful attacks we condemn, and such incidents should never take place, should never to be happen next time. If this happen again, we will be giving our reaction for the action taken place. We won't be tolerate if such crimes, if such verbal hatred speeches were delivered. We won't be tolerating. And to our Bubagra, beloved Habagra, Pradyut Kishore Manikya ji, we would like to tell 20 Tiprasa, 20 tribes of ST community are all with you. Please do not lose hope. We are all with you. You go forward for our indigenous. For past 70 years, the way we were bereft of our right, you are the only one who can resolve all these matters. That is why we just want to say, in any community there is bad person, for some person, please do not mind. We are all with you till our last breath. Now our block YTF secretary will brief something in Kokborok.
जों दिनै प्रेस मिटआव संमानि अंखा थानाय 19 तारिख प्रत्येक 527 विलेज कमिटी जतरसिना प्रत्येक ब्लॉक डिप्रेशन नमने इलेक्शन बिसि इलेक्शन नंगेन बगै सो इलेक्शन अंथनि जत जिगात अंखा ब्रंग साबजुनाल ब्रंग खायका जे ब्र हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट बगै रां हमानि सुबुर थांगांगे एक्चुअली सो रां हमानि ब्रक त सुबु किन्तु स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पावर फाइ माने पावर फेमने सुबह 2018 से फैगा एक्चुअली सुबह पड़ेगा एडीसी फेमने अंका 2021 से फैगा गवर्नमेंट पावर किंतु सुबह पड़े फाये कोनो फार्म है के हजे को जे फार्म हमारे अंका आगे पंचायत इलेक्शन 2014 मने सुबाजिन से दिशागे ब्रॉक सुबह सागा किंतु एक्चुअली ब्रॉक डेट नहीं है ना सुबह ब्रॉक ने मिस्टेक अंका सुबह एरपर तिनी मेन चंगा सुमने अंका जेसिनी तिनी प्रेस मीट खेमने अंका जे 19 तारीख ओम्पी नगर जे ओम्पी ब्लॉक ओम्पी बाजार जे सो डेपुटेशन पाये जे गाड़ी बाय नगो बैग के थांगमाने सो गाड़ी ने कासोगे बाइक बाहिनी ब्रो अटैक खेमने एकजन बुखा बिकरिंग बाय बुजाखा आरो दुइजन सीरियस अंखा सब जाते सो हाइ बुनाय रंनो ब्रो ना एकदम लीगल एक्शन आना अंथों ब्रो ना शास्तिर ना अंथों आरो एकटा जे रैली एकटा खेमने बुबाग्रा नि मुंगे रैली एकटा खेमने बुबाग्रा थिका हिंगे किंतु बे हानि तिप्रा सांगे हानि सांगे पॉलिटिकल डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री गा जत्तो पॉलिटिक्स खेमंगो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी खेमंगो हाइपो पॉलिटिकल खेदी पॉलिटिकली हिंदी पार्टी नि हिंदी तिप्रा मथन हामिया हिंदी किंतु बुबाग्रा ना हामिया बने किंतु जाया तिप्रा सानि बगे ठीकनो बो बिनि छातिदे साका बिनि छातिदे साया सुते सिया सर सारका किंतु बो जंगना नांगो जे तक्तो इ जे फाइट म पार्टी फाइटिया म जातिनि फाइटचे दफानि फाइटचे किंतु बो सिना नांगो किंतु बिनि मिस्टेक खना बा तब बीजेपी नि नीति गंखा ब्रनि राजनीति गंखा जे दफाना हामिया हिमांनाय तिप्रासा बुनसे बासकांगो फ्रम पेसेतनगो ba bunu se post gor jagari rgo je samia bunu oklang tonai sai khe bunu ekta ngoro lubro phunukna haini bagini boyogia masaga কিন্তু বিনি মিস্টেক না এরপরে থানাইবো তিয়ারি মাইরামবো একবার মতেহে ইনসিডেন্ট নখা বুবাগ্রা না ইয়ে স্নামে পটলা স্নামে বুখা কিন্তু যে বুবাগ্রা বা হানি বিসাইকে বিনি বিসা হইছে বিসাবা মিস্টেক খাইনাই কিন্তু কোনো অ্যাকশন নাইয়া এরপরে 19 তারিখবো মতেহে নখা কোনো অ্যাকশন নাইয়া হাইপো কিন্তু সব ব্রক জানাঙ্গো যে ব্রক হাকি খাইতং সিরনি বাগে খাইতং আখে যে খাইতং নাকে বসিরনি বাগে খাইতং সিরনি কবাই খাইতং বো জংনাঙ্গো কিসা কিন্তু বুবাগ্রা খাইনাঙ্গে বহুত কিছু খাইমাঙ্গো কিন্তু মায়া গনাং বুবাগ্রা বুকুনো জাতিनो কিন্তু একশন আলাইনকে যে जों বাইসं বুলাই জানাय नाय जों বাইসं তকলাই জানাय नाय আখে বই মিনিং नाय जों দাবে বুকুনো একশন আনাম চুগিয়া শুনা আনি কবাই